Hello everyone! Hi! I'm going to make radish salad. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Asian Cooking with MJ and my FB Cooking with MJ and Blog. Thank you. Have a good day and night. See you later. Bye.
Raddish, circle radish, I don't know what they call here in US. This is like radish, this kind. To make salad, simple recipe salad. So first, I'm going to slice the onions. I have to cut that. Onions. Okay. 1/2 of onions. This kind of tomato paste or the big tomato. This is my husband, make for my husband dinner, guys. Now it's done. So, recipe is very simple. Onion, tomato, either big or small. And then, I slice this kind. Slice that. See, this kind of slice. So you can buy this in Walmart or Walmart or Asian store. So this go like circle, it's look like this radish.
Okay. Hello. So now I'm done. I'm done slicing the tomato and circle red radish. Now I'm going to put a vinegar. I'm going to make a sauce for the salad. This 3 tablespoons of vinegar or 4 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons of white sugar or 5 tablespoons, and then 2 tablespoons of black pepper,
1 tablespoon of iodized salt. So now you have to mix it to make all the sugar melt. So it's easy guys. So vinegar, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 5 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Then you're going to mix it. Mix it guys. It's very easy and good. You can make this instead radish, this kind. You can make the cucumber instead. It's like the same process. The first cucumber or pepino. Yeah. This salad. So now I'm going to taste it. It's super yummy. Good. So after this I'm going to put the bread to make a color. So when my husband comes home, I will serve for him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Asian Cooking with MJ. And my FB account is Cooking with MJ and Blog. Thank you. I hope you have a good day. This is simple recipe, radish salad. It's very good. I'm going to put here the salad.
So my husband liked the jalapeno, so we have to put jalapeno. He eats that fresh. Thank you for watching.